Well, hello guys and welcome back. Now, today it's time for the wiring on that little underdash lights of my Fiat. As you can see, it's connected to a battery, live to live and negative to negative. Now, okay, let me show you here. On this LED, you can see the lip around that side, and over here got a flat surface. Now that flat surface and also the shorter leg on it is for neutral. This is just a little resistor that we're going to use later. Now, so I checked on these, got which side is neutral, and I connected the neutral to the neutral, and then the live stay there. Come on. To the live. Okay. You can see it's dead, not working. So one of these blew. Easiest way to do this that I found. Oh, come on. Give me a second. Just get this to do what I want it to do. Now, easiest way to do this. Take one, new one that you know works. I'm going to take, because this is in series, so if any one of these guys blow out, all of them die. I'm going to change that in the wiring. You take this, you just bridge the gap. You place this one in the place of that old one. Nothing happens. So, move on to the next one. And voila, it turned on. So now, this one is quite dim in accordance with the other ones. So this one is blown out because this one that you just put in completed the circuit. This is my dead one, and we will change that. We're going to replace this one and do the entire wiring differently. I want these ones to run in parallel. Essentially what that means is that all the lives go to one side and all the neutrals go to one side. That is why I need this. This is a little resistor. It's a 560 ohms resistor. I just made the little loop on it so I can not lose it, keep it on my finger. I had to search for it through this. I spared you that idea. But anyway. So we're going to change up the entire wiring. This is now comes in and goes out on the other one to the next one. This is called series. So one dies, all of them die. In parallel, all the one sides, all the neutrals will go to 1 and all the lives will go to 1. That means that there is an amperage separation over each of them, whereas as they are now, it's a voltage separation. The car gives out 12 volts. These little guys can handle 3.5 volts at the most. So take 4 and you divide 12 by 4. It's going to give you 3. Perfect. Until my alternator on my car kicks in, it takes it up to 14. That's hence why the big resistor. So I'm going to make them, this guy have the voltage of basically 10.5 volts, and these guys will have a 3.5 volt over them. Let me get this all set up better, you guys in a different position, and we'll start with this wiring. Okay, I'm going to speed a bit through this. What I'm going to do I'm going to cut off all of these, and then I know that this wire that I marked yesterday is actually my neutral and not my live. We'll keep that in mind when we start to do this. This one will be replacing, this one will be replacing, and this one, because it's so dim, I don't think it's gonna last much longer, and I really don't want to do this job again very soon. So we'll be replacing that one, we'll be replacing that one, and also here is my little other lights. I will be putting in 4 more of them into the circuit. As you saw, I built this for 8 lights instead of just 4. Oh, come on, really? Now they're all going to fall down. I'm going to speed through this a bit and get everything cut apart and set up ready. Okay, so now, as you can see, it's been cut open. If you look at this one sits in like this, and the wiring comes in from this side. So my last one needs this little plug because the metal ones have the plugs, just to keep it from making a short circuit. So with a plug, without a plug, with a plug, without. There is not enough wire on this one from here to give me another one for there. So I will move this one up a little bit, and in here I'll put the one without. Okay, so I'm gonna speed through this, just cut everything apart as they should be, and then we can talk about what I'm going to do. But anyway, only thing I'm going to do here, you're going to see me in the speed up. I'm going to take this wire as my neutral and put it on all the ones that have the little flat side. This one, for a reason why I also untangled it a bit so I can follow the wire. So all the flat sides will get this wire. Then on the rounded side, the longer leg, I'm going to cut this other wire and solder it to that. I'm not going to show everything because it's just going to make the video way too long, even if I speed it up. So I'll show you how I do one of them, and then this one just needs to be replaced because it's burning out at the moment. So I'm going to show you this one. Now, you know what? I'll show you another one. I'll show you one of the ones intermediate. And then I'm going to do the rest off camera, and then I'll just bring you back once I've done all of this. Okay, I have to cut this off also. So I'm just going to speed up me cleaning off all the legs, getting the wires cut, and soldering one of them. Okay, and then I'll do the rest off camera and bring you back after that. Come on. Now we'll just wait for this one to get hot. And the one that I took out was the one that was blown out. One that stopped working. I'm just going to clean a little part of these wires. Like that. Now, this is also one of the ones that need the plug. That little black plug. So, take my LED. Take my little black plug. And just slide it over. No, we'll just wait for this one to get hot. Now it's been about 2 minutes. This is a very fast little thing. See? Okay, she's hot. This is called heat shrink. I just put 2 pieces on there just to save myself from electrical shorts later. Now, I don't have a helping hands, but I can manage this. This is called tinning the wire. Do that. And get our little LED. Now, I don't need the pins that long. Cut them off. And to save myself the hassle, I will still cut the 2 legs different lengths. There you go. This is the neutral side. Take it. Put some extra solder on here. Simply put it next to it. Heat the 2 up together. And boom, you've got a connection. For the other side, do this. Turn the wire over. A little bit of extra. And we will do the other side. There we go. That's, oh, ouch, that was too fast. You have a solid connection between the 2. Just want to redo that one, it looks ugly. There we go. Okay, so I'm going to do that 7 more times, and I'll bring you back after I've done that. And then this is just going to be put over there afterwards and heat it up to keep the connection safe. Okay, I'll do that 7 more times and then I'll bring you back. Alright, and through the miracle of time, they're done. There's now 8 little lights, all of them fitted, neutral to neutral and live to live. Now, if I connect this to 12 volts right now, I will just blow them all up. Well, not blow them up, but burn them out. So, to prevent that, this little resistor that I said earlier We'll take this, put it into the line over here. And just solder this little guy in. And that should save my little lights. Because by the way, this was almost an hour to get all of these little lights doing what I want them to do. I put this resistor in on the live side, because you always want to limit the from the live side. And if you look down here, just move you up, tilt you down. Here's my battery. If I did this correctly, I put the other side of this resistor in here and tighten it down. And what is supposed to be my neutral, I have 8 working, perfectly working, LEDs. This battery is a little bit on the flat side because I use it for lights when we don't have power, and unfortunately my charger burned the fuse, so I have to replace that. But anyway, there we go. It is all built. Let's get it in here. Okay, let me just get you stationed a little bit better so you can see what's going on. Great. Now we'll start from the furthest side. Come on. It's gonna hang it off the table because it's a struggle. Start from the furthest side. Push it in. These ones, as soon as it clicks in, it secures itself. And it secures the holder also, because the light pushes open the tabs on the holder. That. And it is time to get them put back into the car. I'm gonna get that cabiole, glove compartment, however you want to call it, whatever you want to call it, and then we'll hook this up, do all the necessary little wire tidy up, because this is ugly. It's gonna hang out at the bottom, drive me insane. We'll do the tidying up of the wires, and then we'll put it back into the car. And I'll show you that little process, because as you see here, I cannot just leave a wire like this that it can touch anything and make a short circuit. For that, we will use some more of this. This is a thinner one than the blue ones. And just run it over, heat it up with a lighter, and all will be well. But just 1 minute, I'll bring you back right now to tidy up this and get it fitted to the glove compartment or cabiole. Okay, so we've jumped ahead a little bit. It's all tied down. All little lights are in. And we are back in the car. Now to put this dash in is, well, this cable in, it's very, very easy. Here's my little other wire. I don't want to lose that. It's one-handed. Anyway, so you take this. See that pin? Line it up. There's that hole. I can show you in there what's going on. Okay, there. Line that up. Push it in. Goes back in place. Take this giant thing and then you stab it through the hole. Done. Okay, so we've marked this previously, so we know this is going to be our neutral. Just to protect it, I'm going to put over a little piece of that heat shrink. Okay. And we will tie them together. Just like that. And we'll put some solder in it. So it's still hot. And you simply solder the wires together. All nice and neat looking. Fold it over. Stick the heat shrink over. Heat it up. See, it shrinks. That's why, hence the name heat shrink. And you're done. This one I'm going to need a little bit longer one. So I've got myself quite a long piece. Just turn these two together. Make sure that they can't touch the other side. You don't want full voltage going to that side. And we will solder these ones together also to make a nice and clean joint. I don't want loose connections in here. Loose connections are the worst, especially on electronics. So that's all done. Slide the little heat shrink over it. Heat it up again. We'll see it shrinking, getting smaller all over the connection. And we're done. Now, just gonna hide it back under there. And everything is perfect. Cable can open and close, no problem. Now, if I put on this side, all my lights work. Thank you for watching. Have a good day. And give us a like, give us a subscribe if you liked it. And I'll see you in the next one.